Hi, this is Pat Fitzgerald, the VA loan guy. Today we're going to talk a little bit about property surveys, why we have to have them, and why they're so important, and that sort of thing. A survey is a really important document, and for the most part, when any mortgage company is going to finance the property, they're going to require a property survey. So the survey shows several things, and here's what's important for everybody to know. Most importantly, it shows where that house is going to sit on that property. It also shows the legal description of the property, which is very important for recording ownership and all that sort of thing. It also shows where the exact property lines are. This is a really important thing because it's going to show where the fences are. Let's say there's a fence between the house you're buying and the house of your neighbor. It's going to show exactly where that fence is. And that fence may be on your property or it might be on your neighbor's property. It's important that we know these things. The other thing is, if the property doesn't have a fence and you're thinking about putting one in, that will show the fence people exactly where to put that fence right down that property line. It also shows the location, if there is a swimming pool or any outbuildings, the concrete driveway. It's going to show exactly where those are in reference to the setbacks. The legal setbacks are the dimensions that the city or county requires that you build your house not to encroach on those lines. And there is no set amount of space there. But when you think about things like a swimming pool you're going to put in the backyard, you don't want to set that pool within the utility easement, the easement where the electric company or the gas company reserves to have to dig up occasionally or put lines in there or something like that. So all these things are very, very important for you as a prospective buyer for a property to know about these things. And also, when you're buying an existing home, if we note that that property is either encroaching or part of it on your neighbors, it's important that we know this stuff up front so that can be remedied. In the state of Texas, where I am, a survey can be reused. A lot of people don't recommend that, but our position is that as long as it's legible and the engineer's stamp that did it can be read, there's really no reason that we can't reuse it. Now, I will tell you one thing, and that is that reusing a survey may not show any changes that have been made in utility easements. That doesn't happen very often, but that's why some real estate companies require the prospective buyer to always get a new survey. That's a decision that you and your realtor can make. But anyway, so that's it on surveys, and I hope I've put some light on that for you. As always, if you have any questions, it doesn't cost a penny to talk. So give me a call and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Take care.